Gas prices got you hesitating to hit the road? Or tired of road trip hiccups that could have been avoided? Today, I've got 12 smart car tips to help you save gas, skip the hassle, and travel smarter. Wherever you're headed, let's keep your trip smooth and efficient. 1. Use cruise control strategically, not constantly. Cruise control saves fuel on flat highways, but on hills or winding roads, it actually burns more gas. Use it wisely and disengage when terrain changes. 2. Top off at a quarter tank, not empty. Don't wait till E. Keeping your tank above 1/4 helps your fuel pump stay cool and reduces the chance of debris clogging your lines. 3. Use high-mileage motor oil for long trips. If your car's over 75,000 miles, switching to high-mileage oil improves efficiency and reduces internal friction, which means less fuel burned on long drives. 4. Check gas station apps for prices before entering a town. Gas prices can vary by 50 cents or more in the same zip code. Open an app like Upside or Gas Buddy a few exits early and plan your stop. 5. Minimize roof load or remove the rack. A roof box or rack kills your aerodynamics. If you're not using it, take it off. It can boost your fuel economy by up to 10%. 6. Inflate tires. Based on road type and load. Going heavy with passengers or gear? Add 2 to 3 psi above your daily level for highway driving. Less rolling resistance equals better mileage. 7. Avoid drive-thrus. Park and go in. Idling wastes up to half a gallon per hour. Walk inside instead of waiting in a drive-thru line. It's healthier for your car and your legs. 8. Use a windshield visor to reduce AC load. The hotter your cabin, the harder your AC works, and that burns gas. Block heat at every stop with a cheap foldable sunshade. 9. Empty your car of unused heavy gear. That box of tools or camping gear you never use? Drop it. Every 100 pounds reduces miles per gallon by about 1 to 2%, especially in smaller vehicles. 10. Avoid sudden lane changes and swerves. Constant lane weaving disrupts your speed, forces extra braking, and adds drag. Keep it steady. Your MPG and stress level will thank you. 11th. Check alignment if your car pulls or vibrates. Misalignment increases tire drag and ruins mileage. If your steering pulls or shakes at speed, get aligned before your trip. It'll save gas and tire wear. 12. Keep windows up at speeds over 45 mph. At high speeds, open windows increase drag dramatically. Use your AC on low or set to vent instead to stay efficient. And there you go. 12 travel smart car tips to help you save gas, skip the stress, and enjoy more miles per dollar. Be sure to check the description below for my top recommended tools and resources. If you enjoy this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. And if you don't want to wait for my next video to come out, check out this one on the screen. Got a money-saving tip of your own? Drop it in the comments. Like this video if you're ready to outsmart gas prices. Subscribe for weekly road-tested tips, car hacks, and travel wisdom. Until next time, drive smart, save more, and hit the road with confidence.